Dumpster rental service in Sandwich, Massachusetts. Do you have a project in Sandwich, Massachusetts, that is creating a lot of waste? You may be cleaning your garage, renovating your home, or replacing your roof. At We Dump It, we're your one-stop shop for reliable, affordable dumpster rental service in Sandwich, Massachusetts. We offer various roll-off dumpsters in different sizes to suit your project's needs perfectly. We understand that every project is unique. That's why our friendly and knowledgeable customer service team is here to help you choose the right size dumpster and answer any questions. We Dump It makes the process easy and convenient. We deliver the dumpster directly to your location and pick it up once you're finished. You won't have to worry about loading or hauling away the waste yourself. We offer competitive pricing and transparent fees. There are no hidden fees with us. We Dump It has helped countless homeowners and contractors in the area complete their projects on time and within budget. Free up your time and energy to focus on what matters most, completing your project in Sandwich, Massachusetts. Call us today at 508-776-4740 to schedule your dumpster rental and experience the We Dump It difference.